fast, real fast. Whoa, look at all these masks.
Oh my god,
Look back at it. Ready? Nothing fast right there. Ready? Smile. Smile. Hey, Charlie Brown. All right, hold on.
Toward the end of this hallway, on the right, you will find the glitzy sequin mummer costumes. The mummers are a Philadelphia tradition, and their first official parade was on New Year's Day in 1901. The history of the mummers is as colorful as their costumes and began as rivalries between Philadelphia neighborhoods.
Marketplace. Oh, wow. Whoa. No, Archie. Oh, look at this. Wow.
we get on it.
As we enter the next room in our journey, you will find that just like in our music room, we have miniatures here. On your left, the first display shows a miniature circus
I
from
got a
early
gorilla.
days when the circus came to town on the train. The canvas tents were set up in a field, and the three-ring circus and sideshow became the town entertainment for a few special weeks.
Saved them.
The second display is a miniature amusement park from Moundsville, West Virginia, and used to be in an ice cream parlor window. It has the distinction of being handmade with no plastic. It's all wood and metal, and it is run by old scissor sewing machine motors.
That's it. That's right. Go enter
The last
there.
display is from the state of Minnesota. It was made by a
I'm not going in
team,
there.
John and Hilda Newman. They displayed this miniature fairground in their appliance store window.
You don't like it? You're okay. You're all right?